So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download the driver? So we have to first come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here search button, then paste your model number of motherboard X570S AORUS master, then click to product, click X on this title, then click to support. Now select your operating system, which is Windows 10, 11. Then you can see this is VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So Intel Wi-Fi driver. Here to click to icon, just click download. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Open exe and give to permissions to yes. Now this is installing by cmd command from and then close it and it is done.